Hello friends, thank you for coming back. I hope you're having a great day. Well, here's an idea of what we're going to be doing today. See the reflection we have? We have some water and the sky right there and some flowers. Okay, I started to do my sky, and what I did, I have a dark blue. Right here we have a light purple and a medium blue, and you can see a little bit of that purple running right through there a little bit. There you go. Alrighty. Now on the bottom now, what we're going to do, okay, I'm going to take some white, some of that very dark blue, and I want my water to be very light blue. And when you want to do a light, you always add the white with it, and you will come out with a lot of lighter blue. Okay, there we go. All right, we mix that blue with the white. And friends, if you want your water darker, that's fine. Make sure your canvas, you sprayed your canvas a little, and that you have wetness to your brush. Okay, maybe that's what I want to do now with this. Okay, I think that's what we're going to do. Okay, right in here, this is what we're going to do. Okay, dab our brush off. Now I'm going to come in with some, I have some medium colors on my greens. I'm going to take this green with a dab of the black. We're going to want it really dark, and you'll see why. Okay, right about in here, we're going to make that really dark. And you see how it's blending in. Again, keep your brush with some water on your brush. Okay. Do a lighter green. Okay. And I did spray my tray with some water. That makes it a little easier for me. Now, that's your sky area. And you're going to see why I did this little dab of the black. Okay, you're going to see why I went so dark in here. You're going to see why. And the darker the better. Okay. Okay, I'm going to clean the brush off. Dab the brush down here, and then we're going to run this through a little bit. Now we're going to do, let me say, a lighter green, mix it, medium with some light green, right about here. Okay, right about there. Okay, I'm going to pull that up. And I hope everybody's having a good time. I know I am. I'm having a great time doing these videos with everyone. And again, if you see something where you're like, oh no, I think I want it a little blue or a little greener, that's fine. Alright, I'm going to keep that brush. Okay. Keep it wet a little bit here. Okay. Main thing is this area is dark. We got a lot of nice little layers going on here. Oh, that looks nice. Very nice. And we're going to pull that up. Left the purple right in there. Okay, and now you're going to see why we got different layers and colors in here. Okay, this is what we're going to do. We're going to get our the whisk brush. Always make sure that's wet. And we're going to come in and we're going to tap that out with some green, little dab of the black. And right about here, you're going to do some dabbing. And right now you're saying, oh my God, it's so dark. It's okay, you'll see. We're going to do lower ones here. We're coming up. This will give us our trees over here in the background. And we're going to bring it down. There you go, friends. Now, this is a fun part, I love the light. We're going to do the lighter on the dark. And another shade of that green. You always got to have a little bit of that dark, right, in the background. That's what makes everything pop right out. And I'm going to throw a little white with that. A little white with my light green. Okay? And now you're going to bring that down right to the edge right here. Okay? And now I'm going to show you something really cool. Okay, and this is what we're going to do. We're going to get, okay, I think we're going to use, okay, we're going to use the flat brush. And this is all we're going to do here. Take the tip of your brush and you're going to pull it down. Short, and then we're going to go long. And that's going to give you your reflection. Then you're going to come across with some black right there on the tip of your brush. And you're going to run it right through, just like this, friends. Okay? And now, we're going to go into step number 2. So tune right back in. Okay, friends? Let's go right into step number 2. We're going to be finishing this up. Here's your reflection. All right, I'll see you in step 2. All right, have a great day. Bye-bye.